The Vulcan VC oven is a fully featured convection oven. Heavy-duty construction, heavy-duty doors. We're not cutting any corners. A lot of our competition is starting to go to economy-based convection ovens. We don't do that.
The Vulcan VC Gas Oven utilizes a 50,000 BTU burner system. We're delivering 700 degrees of heat energy into that cavity. Typically, when I talk to a customer and tell them that 50,000 BTUs is enough heat energy, as opposed to some of our competitors who are 70 and 90,000 BTUs, there's always that question in our customer's mind, is 50,000 BTUs enough?
The reality of how much heat we're delivering into that oven, most customers will say, wow, that's plenty. We don't subscribe to that Hemi engine concept where you have to have a lot of BTUs to cook inside a convection oven. Our convection oven is going to deliver better quality products by delivering a little bit less intense heat into that cavity. It's always better to maintain a static temperature flow inside that oven, a gentle ramp up of heat energy inside that cavity, and that's going to deliver a better bake, a better retherm, and a better roast every time. We have our ovens in full-service restaurants. We have it in schools, healthcare, anywhere where you're doing a wide variety of products from baking, rethermalizing, and roasting. One of the hardest things for a convection oven to do is to bake. Most ovens can retherm and roast. There's not a whole lot of difference.
The Vulcan 50,000 BTU system delivers a consistent quality of bake. A little bit less intense heat delivers a better baked product every time.
Our heat delivery system is located below the chamber. We're taking that heat, we're delivering it through our inner and outer panels into the top of the convection oven. We pull that through a snorkel tube that's located inside the oven. And what that does is it creates a complete heat exchanger that the entire oven is a part of the process. It's a part of the engineering design which delivers that energy efficiency into our cabinet. The standard control that is utilized in the VC series oven is a very simple, intuitive control. You don't have to have a lot of training. Basically, you walk up, you turn your oven on, you set your time and your temperature, and you're ready to cook. We offer two great accessories for the VC series oven. We offer a stainless steel drip tray which aids the customer in the cleanability of the oven. We also offer a rack hanger which gives them the safe, convenient storage for the racks when they're not used inside the oven. Our door handles are made out of a phenolic material which is heat resistant. It doesn't conduct the heat into the handle itself, which means it's cool to the touch. The Vulcan VC gas oven is ENERGY STAR qualified. In our gas combustion, we are actually maintaining most of that heat energy into that cavity. We're not letting the heat release through the side panels. We're not letting it escape through the doors or out the vent. We're taking all that energy that the customers paid for and we're delivering it into the food product. The VC series oven is a great, reliable, durable built product. It gives you great even heat distribution and it's going to serve you for years to come.